the battery indicator light is located under the viewing window at the top of the can. Battery indicator light has 3 green bars, then it turns to 2 yellow bars, and then 1 red bar. When it reaches the red bar, you only have 20 minutes of operation left. Okay, the battery level is checked simply by removing the caps to the battery, visually looking into the battery cell, and you can see the water level, the battery cell, and the top of the battery. The water level should be halfway between the battery cell and the top of the battery, a minimum of a ½ inch above the cells. Insert cap.